Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my vlog. I'm Hannah from Arizona. And today, aalis kami kasama yung asawa ko, pati yung daughter ko. And hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Grabe, ang init dito pero naka-jacket pa rin ako. Well, tayo mga Filipino, kahit mainit, nag-jacket tayo, diba? So, yun. Samahan nyo na lang kami kung saan kami pupunta. Stay tuned. See you later. So yeah, at first, dito kami sa Walmart. Nanalo pala kami dun sa may scratch. So, need namin i-redeem yung price. Mababa lang naman. $10. So, yeah. Tapos na kaming mag-redeem ng ticket na quick tour lang dito sa loob ng Walmart.
We're gonna go to Rock
Ring. Stop doing it. Stop doing it. Stop doing it.
Get two.
So, yeah.
The 2 of October 7th.
Yeah. That Crazy Valley.
Hold on.
That one there.
So, isa is worth $4.07. Oh, no. Joke. $1.97.
No, but
Yeah. So, may Yakult din sila dito. Ano, yogurts.
And I'm like, no, what is it?
Like, well, I wish the other lady away, so we need to be somebody else. She's like, why don't you have it? I said, trust me, girl, the question is like, you pushed her out of your way to ring it up. I said, I would have been, I said, I would have swung at you.
Happy Kid Yarn.
Excuse me, like, better take care.
Yep. Say hi to the camera.
Hola.
Hola.
I only know a little bit of Spanish.
I know. Sausage. Frozen
Sausage.
foods.
Ooh.
Ground beef.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Ground beef. Wait a minute. Why is the cheese here? Why is the cheese here?
Oh, I don't know. And as a mom na, nagluluto ako sa bahay. Ito na yung nagpapasaya sa akin. $1.
Yeah, but where's the
Each.
S? But where's the S?
$1 each. So, meron silang minced onion, garlic powder,
They put a whole entire container in here.
parsley.
They put a whole entire container in here.
A lemon and pepper.
And look.
Around 57 pesos each. Sa atin, mahal na yan din. So guys, dito tayo sa vegetable section. Eto. So ito,
Onion. Onion.
$3 lang siya.
Yeah,
Ganito na siya
$2 for
karami.
onion.
So, sulit na, diba?
Avocado. Whatever that, tomatoes. Whatever that, tomatoes.
Eto, jumbo. Jumbo garlic.
Mini white
Ang
pearl
laki.
onions. Look, it's white pearl onions. White pearl onions.
Oranges. Lemon. Eto, apples.
Apple. Green apple.
145 lang per pound. Sulit na siya.
Oh.
Diba? Tapos, eto. Ewan ko paano niluluto itong kalabasa nila. Iba siya.
Ooh, black
3,
pumpkin.
28 each.
Black pumpkin.
Each. Tapos to. Alam ko to ginagawa nilang pang pie. Pumpkin pie. Tapos 262. Dami nilang squash dito or pumpkins. See? Ayan. Ay, ito. Parang kulugo.
Oh, why is it like this?
I don't know. Ayan. Ay, ito, diba? Jumbo.
White pumpkin.
Ito yung pang mga salads. Carrots. Lettuce. Tingnan nyo guys. Meron silang baby carrots dito. Ang tamis niya. Ito pa. Ay. Ang anak ko. Ayan. So, everything is fresh.
Don't mind me acting crazy.
Everything is fresh.
Especially in my tummy.
Ayan.
Ew.
Ito, papaya. And
I heard that you could
pineapples.
just pull this and then bam. One
Oh!
pops out clean.
Dito, pag nag-sale talaga sila is talagang sale. Lalo na yung mga clearance nila. Check nyo tong mga prices nila. Itong t-shirt is $1 na lang. And then to, panties, for $9 na lang. Right? Ito mga panties, $2. Ito mga baby socks, $1 for 6 pairs. Also to, mga bra for $5 bra. Wala, di ko size. Sayang. Di ko sila size. Masyadong malaki. And of course, napili na yung iba dyan. Yeah. And since malapit na yung Halloween dito, eto, nag-sale yata sila ng mga candies. Eto, $3.46 na lang.
Wow!
$5.87. Tapos, Reese's. Yan. Snickers. Diba? Mura na lang. Ito pa guys, yung mga chocolates nila. Ayan. Sneakers. Ito. Random. For $9.94. Ito. Siyempre, favorite ko to. Kit Kat. For $6.52. Mura na. Ayan. Halloween kasi malapit na. Yummy, no? Mga Halloween decors. Oop. So yun nga guys, mag-check out na kami and alam ko gatas lang ang bibilhin namin. Tignan nyo. Yun. Oh, diba? Walmart. Now, we're going to the next store. So, yun na nga. Dito na kami sa next store. And it's called Ross Dress For. We're here. So, yun. Meron kasi akong isang bag na gusto dito. Hindi naman siya kamahalan. And maliit na bag lang siya. And we'll see if nandito pa yung bag. Kasi walang tama dito? Walang katulad yung bag. One design lang siya. Yan, dito ko siya banda nakita. Okay, so
A few moments later.
So, yeah. Lucky na nakita ko pa yung bag. And I'm happy. So, going to the next store na. So, yun nga guys. Hindi pa pala kami sa Costco pupunta. Sa Target. May check lang kami. Very quick. See you. Ay, out. In pala, sorry. Hello. So, this is Target. So, yeah. Ito. May mga pumpkins din sila. So, meron din sila mga blueberries.
Wow!
Strawberries.
That's one way I release popcorn.
Meron din sila.
Popcorn at home.
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
What's this? Cranberries. Ay, hindi. Joke. Raspberries. Blackberries. Blueberries. So, yun. Target is like Walmart din siya. Pero alam ko mas pricey dito. Mga Legos. Ooh, nice. Oh. Cherry blossom. See. Mga flowers. Toys.
A few moments later.
So, yun guys. Hindi na kami nagpunta ng Costco. Like, take out na lang kami ng Cane's. Next time na lang, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye!